Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Friendship Shaving. I'm your host Mark and I've got a little unboxing for you today. This is a vintage razor and I know next to nothing about it. So it'd be interesting to show it to you when I eventually get it out of this box using my usual knife today from a Byron Shaving Company, and I will put the link to them down below. This is a very well wrapped up parcel. I bought this, it was advertised at £7, and the gentleman that sent it to me, it wasn't through eBay or anything like that, but the gentleman that sent it to me said, send me a tenner in an envelope, £10, and with the change I'll post it to you. Now I was expecting it just to be put in a padded envelope. I think the postage would have been about £2.85 or something like that. But I've actually seen that the postage is £4.45. So the gentleman didn't even get £7 for it. So I feel I've done very well. And I'm sorry guys, but this is taking me ages to get this open. There we go, that's a break. It's superbly wrapped with tape. There we go, we're getting it. Here we are, we've got it, we're in. So here is the case, and it is an old Ronson razor which shaves and sharpens. Now you may have seen these come up occasionally, and apparently I've been looking online and you can fit a DE blade to fit this razor, but also it fits two Schick blades. Oh, here we go, look. Now the case is a little bit battered. That might clean up well. It seems to be a sort of brown and red colour. I might be able to get some felt tip pens and just colour those in. Put a bit of wax on the case, but look at that, that is great. Got the instructions, full instructions. Oh, there we are, British made. Now, when I was a kid, growing up in the 60s and through into the 70s, Ronson were really famous for making cigarette lighters, particularly tabletop cigarette lighters, quite big ones, of really intricate designs. They did clocks and all sorts. Because I think at the time, you know, having your cigarettes on your dining table with a cigarette lighter was quite the thing. Now here it is. Guys, I'm going to guess, because I don't know anything about this, I'm going to guess this is from, let's say, the 1930s. Okay. Apparently the top flips. So one side, that side is the shaving side, and the other side is the stropping side, which it holds the blade at a different angle. Now somehow I think it all comes apart. Yeah. Look, there's a spring. And if it's a bit stuck. Oh, there's grease on that. But I think the top and everything will pull apart. Now there is oh there, look at that. Boy, that is dirty. And you can see there is a blade in there. And the strop, do you know what, guys? I know it's dirty. The strop hardly looks used. Let's see. It says British made, Ronson Products Limited, London. I'm looking for a date. Ronson razor. Yeah, I can't see a date. And this part here, apparently, perhaps you have to do it like that, eh? Well, apparently that unscrews. There we are, that's what I was saying about the head pivots. And this side now is ready to be stropped. I'm not going to do it till I get it all working and I've read the instructions and I know what I'm doing. It's clever. It's very clever, guys. So I don't know if I can get this out, because that is, well, that is pretty solid there. So that is definitely going to have a soak in some oil, and it may even need just a pair of grips around there just to get it free, because no, that's not moving at all. So there we have it. There is my Ronson razor, which is quite an incredible looking razor. You can see in the back there's kind of plenty of room to rinse, but you're rinsing right over this roller. Well, Ronson razor, let's have a look. Is there a blade in here? No, there isn't a blade, there's just a piece of tells you how to sharpen. There's a bit missing. Press lightly on the lock screw with the left thumb, and at the same time using a brisk downward stroke, roll the sharpening roller with the palm of the right hand. What? I don't know. Anyway, Ronson roller, guys, cost me, what did I say? It ended up costing me £5 55 pence. So for that amount of money, I had to give it a go and see what it was like. I've had my eye on one of these for a long time, just purely because they are so unusual. It looks heavy. Let me tell you, it's not very well balanced. There we are. The balance point is pretty much right up there. That head is so clunky. but actually it doesn't feel bad in the hand. Perhaps there is quite a nice place to hold it. I don't know, is that dirt on the bottom, or has the maybe the plating's gone on the bottom, but there is an awful lot of dirt on here, guys. So I'm going to give it a clean and I'll come back to you. And just to tell you, the fix I saw for using a standard DE blade involves cutting the blade. But what I thought was really good, the gentleman that did it had a razor blade for the Ronson, and he taped, I assume they're the same size because he just taped the modern DE blade with a piece of clear sticky tape. And then when he cut the blade, he put a hole in the middle of the sticky tape, and it was exactly ready to go in, all held together by the tape. He didn't take the tape off, just popped it right in, and it worked. So that's what I'll be trying down the line. Take good care. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. And by the way, I haven't said this for ages, but if you haven't subscribed, well, I'd love you to. Take care now. Have a good week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.